Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made a lemon waffle bowl ice cream sundae. So I started off by grabbing some white air dry clay to make the waffle bowl. And you can pretty much get air dry clay anywhere, Amazon, Temu. You can buy it from people off of Facebook. For example, from like Designs by Janera, she has really great air dry clay, but I think this is air dry clay that I ended up buying on Temu months ago, and it's still in really good condition. So I did add some yellow paint to it because this is going to be a lemon waffle bowl. So I did add some yellow paint to it, and then you will see that I'm going to add a little bit of like a yellow orange paint to it. Both of these paints I got from Dollar Tree, so you can definitely get it from Dollar Tree. You can also get air dry clay from Dollar Tree as well. And again, all I'm doing is just trying to get the color that I want, and I'm just conditioning it, mixing it in, all that good stuff. And now I'm just going to roll it out so that it is the size for my waffle cone. And then I decided that I'm going to go ahead and roll it out on this sheet that I got from Amazon that makes it look like the little waffle indents on it. I found this little bowl at Dollar Tree around Easter, and I felt like it was the perfect size as well as like the perfect structure or shape for the waffle bowl that I wanted. So I'm just taking the air dry clay off of the mat, and then I'm going to put it inside of the bowl so that it makes the curvature or the structure that I want. And I used the plastic saran wrap so that it, the clay doesn't stick to the plastic. So now I'm taking some spackle, some lightweight spackle that you can get from any hardware store, and I'm just adding some yellow into it. Since I'm going to be making ice cream and I'm putting a lot of yellow in there to get like a lemon color that I want, I'm going to end up adding some flour just to thicken it back up, because adding too much paint definitely makes it a lot like more soupy instead of like structured. So I'm adding, and honestly, if I was going to do this over again, I will add way more of that flour, because you'll notice that my ice cream scoops are going to be a little runny. So now I'm adding just some white air dry clay into a piping bag, and this will be basically for the whipped cream on the ice cream sundae. And again, this is just spackle. I want to say it's DAP lightweight spackle. It's my favorite when I'm doing like whipped cream and stuff like that. And technically when I'm doing ice cream, I prefer to use a spackle that's called like one time, because it's like drier, I would say. But yeah. So now I'm just taking a couple of foam balls that I got from Dollar Tree, cutting them in half, and I'm basically dumbing up the bottom of it so I don't have to use too much of my materials such as the spackle to get it to look like it's a lot of ice cream and a lot of whipped cream inside of this bowl. So I'm just dumbing up the bottom with a whole bunch of styrofoam balls that you can get from pretty much anywhere, but you can definitely get them from Dollar Tree. So I started off with just the white spackle just to make it look like there's a whole bunch of whipped cream at the bottom of the ice cream sundae, and I'm obviously using a lot, so I just have to add a little bit more. And while I'm doing that, I do want to take a moment to thank you so much for watching my video. You can be watching anybody else's video on the internet, but you're watching mine, and I'm so appreciative. If you're not already following me, please follow me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm still trying to grow my channel, and I really appreciate it. So this is where I'm taking an ice cream scoop and taking some of that yellow spackle and making my ice cream scoops and putting it on top of the whipped cream. And if you can see, it's so soft. It's much softer than I wanted. It's not holding like an ice cream scoop structure, in my opinion. And it's okay. It still turns out really nice. It just looks like, the ice cream probably has been sitting out for a while and it's gotten softer. So now I'm taking a spoon, like this white spoon that I got from Dollar Tree, and I broke the spoon part off and then just kept the handle and then stuck the handle into it to make it look like there was a spoon inside. And I'm adding some whipped cream on top as well as a little cherry. And my son is so cute, he wanted a hug. I also ended up adding some lemon pound cake cookies that I made a while ago, as well as an actual lemon to the top. Now I'm just adding some marshmallows and then some pretty little sprinkles. I want to say these sprinkles are in the shape of bows, but they were so cute. And now I'm just doing a white icing or chocolate drizzle, and then like a yellow icing or chocolate drizzle. I don't know what you would call it. And that's pretty much it. It definitely turned out adorable, and I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.